Turn now to another developing story. Day 3 of deliberations in the trial of former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schurr. That's a case we've been covering each day. Schurr is facing a second-degree murder charge, which carries a possible life sentence after shooting Patrick Lyoya in the back of the head 3 years ago after a struggle.
Tuesday, the jury returned from deliberating, saying they are deadlocked. And today, we remain on verdict watch after the judge sent them back to the table.
7 News Detroit reporter and anchor Whitney Burney joining us now live from the newsroom after sitting down with an attorney to discuss the unique nature of a trial just like this. Whitney?
Well, Simon and Glenda, civil rights attorney Maurice has represented officers in criminal cases and been on the opposing side, litigating against them for alleged wrongdoing. He says while the deadlocked jury could be a good sign for the defense, the prosecution seemed to present a strong case. When you know that there's a police officer involved in a criminal case like this, how hard is it to try it, and what makes it different from a regular case where a civilian might be the defendant?
When you're growing up, a lot of communities are taught officers are the person you call when you're in trouble. They'll come to you if you're in need. They're in the community, and a lot of people have positive feelings about police officers. But you have to realize that officers are human. They can have malice, they can commit crimes, they are just like everyday citizens.
Do you feel like it made sense for him to testify in this particular case?
I wasn't surprised at all. I would expect him to testify in a situation like this. If he's claiming self-defense, there's no one else who can tell his story, so the officer decided to take the stand. He testified that he was in fear of that taser.
This has been a highly publicized case, highly publicized trial. How does the court of opinion factor into a case like this?
I'm sure the jury feels the pressures, but what one would hope is that the jury gets it right. So I would hope that they would put everything aside that they've heard, all the outside influence, and focus on what was presented in trial.
When it comes to a jury being deadlocked, what does that implicate in a case like this?
They have to have a unanimous decision one way or another. If there's one person who has doubt either way, they're deadlocked. All of them have to agree. Now, if you have a situation where a jury is deadlocked, that's a good sign for defense, because the defense doesn't have to prove their case.
Now, Davis says if the jury still can't come to a decision in the next few days, the judge would likely declare a mistrial in this case. He says this means the process would start all over again with a new trial and a brand new jury. Glenda, Simon.
All right, Whitney, thank you. And stay with 7 News Detroit on air, online, as we continue to follow this trial every step of the way. We'll bring you the jury's verdict just as soon as it comes in. For the very latest updates, head to WXYZ.com.